Okay, we're going to talk about eccentricity right now. Eccentricity is talking about the type of orbit it has. It's the c divided by the a. On an ellipse, this is the distance from the focus divided by the distance of the major axis just from the center. Each from the center to each of those. Okay? And here's what we know. If we divide these, think about this right here. If they're closer together, the number is going to be, I'm going to say, how you say, like very close to 1. Makes it very circular. So the closer this is to 1, the closer to 1, the more circular it is. All right? The closer it is to 0, the more ovular it is. So therefore, as I look at this right up here, I'm looking at this right up here, and what I want to see is the following. Which, I want the most ovular, so which of these is the largest, provided it's not larger than 1. And that's what's going to be true about an ellipse. A is always bigger than C, so I know a value is always going to be smaller than 1 on an ellipse. Not true for hyperbolas, but for an ellipse. So the largest one of these is the mercury. So the answer is mercury. So conversely, which one of these would be the most ovular? Well, that would be the smallest, which would be Venus. I'm sorry, Venus would be the most circular, and this one would be the most ovular. All right? So just kind of to know about that. So let's look at this question here, number 10. Halley's Comet has an elliptical orbit with the sun at one of the focus. So first, let's kind of draw an elliptical orbit. Here's the center. Here's the sun at one of the focus points. All right? And E is approximately 0.84. All right? The length of the major axis is 35.88 A. The major axis, that whole distance there, is 35.88 astronomical units. Find the distance the sun is from the center of its orbit. Well, basically, E is equal to C divided by A. Well, if E is this 0.84, it's going to equal C divided by A, and A will be half of that, because that's the distance from the center out. Half of that will be, half of 38.58 is 17.94. So if I was to put 17.94 here, all I would have to do to solve is multiply side by 17.94. So C would equal 17.94 times 0.84, which turns out to be, and I'm going to look at my notes here. I'm pretty good at math, but I'm not that good at like memorizing, multiplying. 15.0696 astronomical units. And I want to say an astronomical unit, I think, is something around 93 million miles. So, sun's still pretty far from the center, but that would be the focus point of where the sun is from the center of the